You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce this name correctly. If you want to learn more confusing pronunciations of names like this, make sure to stay tuned. So this is super interesting. This is the name, of course, of the current president of the United States, and it's McDonald's as well, and it's Donald Duck. So it's really important to pronounce it correctly. Da, it's an O sound. Da, not do. Da. Nold. Now the Americans pronounce it even more open, da, Donald, but it's more of a da for in British English pronunciation. Donald, Donald. It's almost an O sound more than an A sound, right? It's not Donald, Donald. It's like two O's really. Don, old, pretty, you know, it's like Don, you know the name Don, and old, Donald. Yeah, old Don, Donald. Did you get this? Was this any useful? Let me know in the comments. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon, and thanks for watching.